In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two documents in LibreOffice Writer. When you have two versions of a file and you're not sure exactly what changed, Writer can do the legwork for you. It uses the built-in Track Changes tools to line up the documents, highlight the edits, and let you decide what to keep. Start by launching LibreOffice Writer. Make sure you have both versions of your document available, ideally with clear file names or timestamps so you can tell which one is newer and which one is the original. Writer works well with its native .odt files, but it can also compare many common formats, including .docx. Open the newer version of the document you want to check. Opening the latest version first tells Writer, "This is the version I'm reviewing," and you'll be comparing it against the older original. That way, the changes you see will be framed as edits made since that earlier version. Go to the top menu and choose Edit, then Track Changes, and click Compare Document. This command launches the comparison workflow. You don't need to manually turn on recording here. Compare Document focuses on differences between the current file and the one you point to next. A file selection window will appear. Navigate to the location of your original older document, select it, and click Open. If you're unsure which file is which, sort by date or look at the modified timestamp to confirm you're selecting the correct original. Writer will now analyze both files and automatically identify differences. You'll see the Manage Changes dialog appear, listing each insertion, deletion, or formatting change it found. In the main document area, edits are visually marked so you can read them in context while you review the list. Use the Manage Changes dialog to accept or reject what Writer found. You can move through the changes one by one, looking at the highlighted text in the document as you go, or choose to accept or reject everything at once if you're confident in the results. Accepting merges the selected changes into the currently open, newer document, while rejecting discards them. Take your time with important sections so you keep only what you intend. Many people prefer to keep a backup copy of the file before finalizing, just for peace of mind. As a quick visual guide, added text typically appears in a different color, and deleted text is often shown with a strike-through. Colors and styles can vary by settings, but the contrast makes it easy to spot what changed. That's it. By opening the newer file using Edit, Track Changes, Compare Document, and reviewing in Manage Changes, you can confidently see and control every difference between two documents in LibreOffice Writer.